Hello guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to subscribe to your favorite creator on Twitch. So you can search for the creator, or if you just find someone showing up at the top here that you like, or on the left side, you can find channels. I'm gonna choose this person right here. And so once you are on the page, you can do two things. You can follow the creator right here, or you'll find a subscribe button. In this case, we're focused on subscribe, so we click on subscribe and that's it. So that's how you easily subscribe to a creator on Twitch. And right here, you can see right here it says subscribe and it shows. And yeah, so that's it. Very easy and very simple. So once you click on subscribe, you will now need to go ahead and pay. And so you can see the price right here. So it says 1 tier subscription. You can go ahead and you can pay. And yeah, once you purchase, then you are able to subscribe to the person. No, if you don't want to go to the subscription phase route, you can just follow the creator. That's really up to you, right? So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.